TradingView is a trading platform, but let's be clear, if you're new, it can feel overwhelming. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to actually use TradingView the easiest way. Now, you download TradingView on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Once you've downloaded TradingView, you open it. Now, once you've opened TradingView, you'll need to sign up a free account. It's easy and straightforward. Now, you can click continue with Google, but we don't recommend that. We click cancel here. We see the financial assets and we can click allow here. It's simple and easy to actually use TradingView. Now, we have sections here, section charts, where you will see the graph that is going up or down. Explore, you'll be able to see the things that are actually uploaded. Now, this is not much important. Community and menu. You can sign in and sign up the account. Watch list, this is what is important. Okay, the asset that you'll be looking for to trade, and this plus icon here to add the assets. Now, charts, you see the graph. It's easy and straightforward. So we click menu and we click sign in. Now you can do it on a website, you can do it on your PC. It's easy to actually use TradingView. Now, for me, click here, I sign up with Google or email. So I prefer to use Google. It's easier that way. Now I choose the email address that I would like to use, and in this case I can choose this trade. All right, and then I'll be able to be signed in on TradingView. But then make sure that once you've signed in or signed up the free account, you have what I call a trading account. It's simple to get a trading account, and because these assets, they're offered by different brokers. TradingView is like a pack house where brokers, they offer the charts that we can now analyze. But how to actually get the trading account linked to TradingView on a mobile phone? It is simple. You open your YouTube, all right, you search Pause Trader. Once you've got our channel Pause Trader, you subscribe to our channel, right? You subscribe to our channel and you click here Pause Trader, you click visit, or you search Pause Trader. Once you get Pause Trader, you subscribe. Now once you've done subscribing, you click on video, you watch the tutorial how to open a trading account. Now here's the link for you to actually open a trading account with Blueberry. This is the broker that we're using, Australian broker, trusted broker, lower spread. We click here, we open a trading account, and it's easier to actually do that. Now you can also use the IC markets, right? You can also use the IC markets. I also recommend it if you like to use IC markets. This is a broker that I'm using, and if you go to Chrome, I want to show you something. This is the actually real account that I have, and I also have the TradingView account linked. This is not a demo, it's a real account. So I can actually let's go to our, this is my Trader 5. Let's go to TradingView. Before we go to TradingView, let's log into our demo account that I was using to actually demonstrate as to how to actually use trading, how to actually open trade account. So now let me show you once you've logged in, because you need to log into the broker Blueberry. And once you've done logging in, you can click demo, right? I recommend to start with demo before you go to live account. You click create account. You can see this account is in TradingView. Let's click create account, and you click account type. You want to start with the standard account or the raw account, depending on how much money, you like to actually start with, $100. And we click go. We scroll all the way down to choose here assets, USD, AUD. We want USD, and then trading platform. We now choose the TradingView powered by Blueberry X, and then we choose leverage here. Leverage is 1:400, 1:500, and then we click next. It is simple and easy, but I recommend that you use MetaTrader 5 to execute trades. You can use TradingView to do analysis on your PC, and here's the account that we have. So how do we now link this account to TradingView? No, it's not this one. No, it's this one. It's this one. We have now the account. How do we go on by linking this trading account to TradingView? You open your email address, all right? They'll send you the credentials to actually log in, all right? If you click here, you'll be able to see you can now log into Blueberry X terminal. But then let's actually go to use the TradingView. They'll send you the details here with the passwords. So let's copy that and copy the password, because already we know our email address. Make sure that we copy the password, and once you copy the passwords and you go to TradingView, right now you go to charts. All right, you go to charts, and you can now see that you have so many pop-ups. So you need to click next, and you click got it. Then you cancel this advertisements. You click buy if you like to click buy. For me, I like to search the broker, Blueberry, just to keep it easy. Blueberry, like that. Here's the broker. All right, and then I paste the password here, and then I enter the email address, trader browser at gmail.com, just like that, and then click connect. That way we are now connected to Blueberry, and we can now analyze the charts. We can go to watch list, whereby we see the watch list, and we can click this plus icon over here. Then we can now search the asset, any asset that we would like, financial asset. Let's say we like to search Euro USD. All right, and then on Euro USD we can also go to Forex here, and then we can change the source, and not all source. We don't want all source. We want to have only from Blueberry only. We want to get the one from Blueberry only, and we can click plus. All right, now we have the account here. We have the Euro USD. We got it, and we can click here, and we have so many things that we can now to set. It's simple. We can just tap here, tap this icon here, just to set the platform. We click more settings, and now you scroll all the way down. For me, I like to keep things simple. We have what we call session breakers. We don't have it here. We don't have the session breakers because that's what you need. Or you go back, you see events here. On events, we want to have session breakers, events breakers. We don't want events breakers. Sometimes you'll have this error, so it's important to take note of that. That's why I recommend to use MT5 or MetaTrader 4. So you can go ahead and set up, but then that's the only thing that is important to set, is event breakers, session breakers. Because if you say event breakers, it will not actually give you you see that this is July. You'll not be able to see these vertical lines like MT5. Now you can go ahead and tap on this. Okay, tap on this so that you can delete this volume. You can adjust the volume. Drawing tools here, you can use the drawing tools. Here are drawing tools, you can use them, and you can scroll all the way like this, scroll away that, change time frame, change assets, and you'll be able to almost, that's pretty much it, because there's nothing much that you can actually do on TradingView. You can maybe click buy, and it will take you to this, and you'll be able to see the positions of buy or sell. You can change to buy. These are orders, right? And remember, this asset, this is the one that you're actually looking for with an eye, that side. And you change lot size, check profit, and you can click sell. That's pretty much it. Okay, order rejected, your margin isn't sufficient, and you can click here on this Blueberry here icon. You'll be able to see that this is a live account. You can change the live account to demo, and if you go to demo, you'll be able to see your 290. You change to the second demo, you'll be able to see your $100, which is the account that we want. You can now click or buy. This actually, I trust you understand. So if you have this error, it simply means you can go to live. If you go to live, you're able to, but that's pretty much it. If you have any difficulties, for me, I don't recommend TradingView, guys. Right, I know some of you like to use TradingView, but use it for analysis. You can use it for analysis. And let's actually remove this volume. Okay, just like that. We don't have the volume anymore. It's fine. We can now drag like that. We can now add our drawing tools, trend lines, and we can tap like that, tap again. That's pretty much it. You see, you can do like that. So for me, I recommend that you actually use the MetaTrader 5. All right, just keep it simple, setting stop loss and take profit and all that. So you can actually play with the platform, and let me know if you have any difficulties using just TradingView, because I don't recommend it, but you can use it.